Hello everyone, I am Rajiv Rahman and I have an exciting job offer for you. One of the reputed steel company in Japan looking for two full-time employee for factory work. The company located in Saitama prefecture. They offer a handsome salary of 180,000 to 220,000 yen per month. So those who have daily conversation level Japanese, please come to visit our office for an interview on 30 on August 2 p.m. Our office is one of the largest recruiting office in Japan. It's very near from JR Kanda station, only 5 minutes on foot. Every day we have job fair, Monday, Wednesday and Friday 11 a.m. and Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday on p.m. So don't feel hesitate, come first, we are here to help you. Thank you.